Beginning of the year writing diagnostic. Type your name here in the yellow box. Writing diagnostic for grade 8 at Blue Ridge Middle School. Directions. Read both prompts below, then select one to write about. Be sure to address the topic raised in the assignment section. You will have 60 minutes to plan, draft, revise, and edit your essay. Choice number 1. Think carefully about the issue presented in the following excerpt and the assignment. The word uncompromising is often used as a compliment, especially when it describes someone who is completely dedicated to certain principles and values. Uncompromising people have indeed recorded great achievements, but being uncompromising is not always a virtue. People who are uncompromising tend not to consider other people's views, seeing themselves as right and everyone else as wrong. All in all, it is better to be flexible and make compromises. Assignment. Are people more likely to achieve their goals by being flexible or by refusing to compromise? Plan and write an essay in which you develop your point of view on this issue. Support your position with reasoning and examples taken from your reading, studies, experience, or observations. Choice number 2. Think carefully about the issue presented in the following excerpt and the assignment below. Most people try to be fair to others and respect their opinions. It is sometimes difficult, however, to be open to and accepting of all opinions, especially when the people expressing them are obviously uninformed or mean-spirited. It is more important to point out to others what they are doing and saying wrong than to try to tolerate every opinion. Assignment. Should people respect and tolerate everyone's opinions? Or should people take a stand against opinions they consider to be wrong? Plan and write an essay in which you develop your point of view on this issue. Support your position with reasoning and examples taken from your reading, studies, experience, or observations. Please type your response here.